But this is going to be, something I hear from all the consulting firms. They look at building AI systems as always being in the cloud. And we'll talk about the two technologies, AI and cloud computing, in lockstep. And that's not the case. In fact, most organizations out there are going to be deploying their AI systems on private clouds, which means they're on-prem systems, and just regular traditional hardware, because the cloud is so expensive. And so it's a bit concerning to me that people keep equating the two things. As an architect, I'm going to use whatever the best platform is that's going to bring the most value back to the business. And if that's public cloud providers, that's fine. If that's not, that's fine. But it's never going to be pre-chosen for me. In other words, I'm not going to decide on the innovative nature of my solution, whether I'm in the cloud or not. So I'm not picking on her. I think most of the consulting companies do it now. They have a tendency to work and move toward the groupthink of the consulting firm. And I think that's wrong thinking right now. And I think many of the organizations out there, if they hear people promoting cloud computing as part of their AI journey, as something that's going to be coupled to it, they should be concerned. And in many cases, I'm hearing from the enterprises out there, people who are, watching my YouTube channel and in reading my blogs and things like that, that is now a big concern. Certainly after the massive, technical debt that was built with many of the cloud migrations that occurred over the last 10 years. Many of those were misinformed for the same reason. People were pushing them into the cloud. The cloud providers were promoting the cloud as the place to be, where they needed to be to run their systems. And in many cases, not all of them, but in many cases, it turned out to be not the case, and they lost a lot of value.
I think we're starting to see more of an inflection point, but there's more to do before you really have visibility on full timing.
Well, Julie, what is it all going to mean for Accenture? Because we've just been showing the 3-year performance of the stock. It's down. Your company's lost 30% of its value over the last year.